Okay guys, welcome once again to my channel Bmkshots. Today we are going to be doing a simple effect on this picture, blur effect. As you can see, I've already worked on the picture, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing I will do is Command J or Control J to duplicate the background. So Control J or Command J. Then next off, I'll use the quick selection tool and quickly select the subject. It won't be that perfect because I don't need it to be perfect, but I'll just try to make it clean. So okay, so this is it. So next off is I would right click and do layer via copy. I'll click on layer via copy. So as you can see, it selected the subject. This is a quick way to mask out objects from a background. So then next thing, I would duplicate the background into three. I'll duplicate this present background now, the highlighted one, layer 2. I'll just click Ctrl J twice, 1 and 2. So next I would select my move to and Command T or Ctrl T to transform image. So let me reduce it a bit. I'll reduce it a bit and I'll reduce it a bit and just tilt it to the left. Okay, let me reduce it again by holding alternate and dragging it down. So I think this is alright. Then I'll do the same, or I can just delete this and select this and do come here and click duplicate layer. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, let me duplicate this layer. So I'll Ctrl T and drag it down as we did the other one and do it like this. Make it to be the same size as this one is, then bring it down a bit. Click on this and bring it down a bit, bring this out a bit. So I think this is okay. Okay, so next thing is I'll head to filter and blur, choose motion blur. I think 271 is too much. Let me use 200. Okay, 200 is cool. Then also this one, the same thing, filter, blur and motion blur, 200. Yeah, I think is alright. So I'll just, let me see if it will be okay there. Okay, I think let me see this. Okay, so anyone can work. You can take it, to the side, or you can bring it in front, or you can just leave it behind these two blur, behind these two layers. You can keep it at the back or bring it in front. So that's just it. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.